What a beautiful day! What a lovely day! What a lovely day! What a lovely day! Here we are riding down East Mercury, not West Mercury, this is East Mercury, on this beautiful 11th of October in the year of our Lord 2019. I'm going to go and get some breakfast at Firehouse Coffee, and on the way home from that I am going to do some food shopping. I'm shouting above my music. I don't think that's necessary. I have my visor open because I have a windscreen out in front of me. Next week I'm going to endeavour going to the Tail of the Dragon. Ooh, that was a cold draft down my neck. Don't have my jacket done up. I don't know if you can see the screen. 68 degrees. I'm going to turn right here. Most direct route is to go straight ahead, but this is a motorcycle and we don't do direct routes on motorcycles unless we have to be somewhere at a certain time, and I don't. I'm going to turn right, and here in America on the red light you can turn right, but you have to be careful. As you can see, those cars in front of me are going to turn right as well, and they have right of way. So I just give them space and I just follow the last one. There are two things here in America which I think the Americans got right when it comes to traffic. One of them is turning right at a traffic light, and the other one is being able to overtake left or right on the highway. I remember when I first got here, having people overtake on the wrong side of me on the highway was a little disconcerting, because in Europe and the rest of the world you're only allowed to overtake on the left or the right in England. Here we go again, past the veterans graveyard. This is all American Civil War in there. There are some newer graves, but mostly all veterans. So most of those graves are from the 1860s, which was the Civil War. Union and Confederate soldiers.
Classic rock.
I'm going to turn right again.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine
Got buses. Turn left here.
I am one of those melodramatic fools, running to the phone, no time about it.
Downtown Pocosin, it's a suburb of Hampton. This, when I came here 5-6 years ago, was derelict. It has picked up considerably in the last 5 years. Be very careful crossing junctions on the motorcycle. Americans in general are not very good drivers, or shall we say they don't adhere to road traffic laws, and here in Virginia they are particularly bad at stopping at stop signs. So I'm always very careful when I'm crossing a cross junction like that. Here we are, we're about to go over the water, past the fishing boats. Oh, look at AC Cobra. There we go, the fishing boats. Not quite sure what they fish. sun sparkling off of the water. Fort Monroe Marina right ahead of me. The Army water tower. Oh, we've got a green light. This doesn't happen very often. I come here all the time. Oh, going orange. Let's go through. Got the joggers out today. Still hasn't got 70 degrees. Look at these houses. Officers' quarters back in the day. Oh, big hole in the road. And this is the armory on my left. About past the local church. And there's a church on my right. YMCA, Rookman Road. This is where Firehouse Coffee is. And park. Oh, there's signs come up. Two young ladies sitting there drinking their iced coffee beverage. Let's turn off that camera. Turn off that camera. Take my phone and turn off